Yeah, so let us start our chapter, Who is Heavier, which we have started in the previous class itself. Page number is 117, 117. So please open and start. Listen to me carefully. Now, what were the topics we have dealt in the previous class? First, you have seen gur and groundnuts, isn't it? You have seen that though the weight of gur and groundnut, that is jaggery and groundnut, was same, but the bag required to take gur was less and the bag required to take groundnut was more. Right? Similarly, you have seen some other items also. Then, next one is you have seen about pumpkin and tomato panga, isn't it? Yes, hope you have enjoyed that and you have seen many tomatoes were required to equal the weight of pumpkin or to make the pumpkin down, to make the pumpkin up so that tomatoes get more weight, more in weight, right? Next, we have seen another one, double her weight, kunjamas, right? A small baby whose weight was seen, as per that, double her weight sweets were distributed to the poor people on her birthday. And when was her birthday? 15th August, isn't it? Next. So now let us continue that. So you can see in your textbook, page number 117. Even I will share the screen. Please check it out. Today we will see something yum rice. Okay. See here. There is a recipe. There is a recipe. Who is this? Who has started this? Yes, here children. Ha, children. So next one is yum rice. There is a recipe. I am reading it for you. Please listen to me carefully and tell me, can you have something yum rice out of this recipe or not? Listen to me carefully, everyone. Lalit, Shruti, Uzair, everyone get ready. Vaishnavi, settle down fast. Revati, switch on your video. Harshavardhini, make it fast. Hope Kengo is ready. Nishant, sit and listen to the class. Nishant, sit down. Hemanandana, put your camera properly. Viksha, settle down. Dhanush Yadav, keep your camera properly. Neena Maria, where are you? Neena Maria, I can't see you. Yes, Manichandra, hope you are ready. Vivek, you are ready. Karunya Kumar, your video is not on. Yes, so hope all others are ready. So now I am going to read you some recipe, a recipe of making yum rice. Now you have to tell me with this, the recipe what I give you. With this, if you make, would you like to get, will you get a yum rice or not? You can have a little knowledge about it. It's not a big deal. Please listen to me carefully. Okay. So first is pour 2 spoons of water in the pot. So a pot is taken, a small pot, and in this 2 spoons of water. Water, 2 spoons. Hope you can you can imagine 2 spoons of water means how much? Will it be very less or more? Can you see the board? Yes. So 2 spoons of water, then boil the water and add 1 pinch of dal. 1 pinch. Then 1/2 kilogram red chili powder. So red chili powder, 1/2 kilogram. Then 1 bowl salt. Salt, 1 bowl. Okay. Then now put a spoon of rice. 1 spoon of rice. Then add 2 peas. Green peas, only 2, that are small, 2. Then 8 glasses of mustard seeds. Mustard seeds, 8 glasses. Okay. And then finally add 1 kilogram of onions. 1 kilogram of onions. Mix everything and boil for 15 minutes. Okay, now let us discuss on this. Okay, children. So don't shout. I'll give chance to everyone. One by one, you have to answer. Okay, children. Now, here in a pot, 2 spoons of water. Imagine 2 spoons of water is more or less?
Less, ma'am. Less, ma'am.
So,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
you can take in this 2 spoons of water, little water you can take in this. This much of water is poured in this pot. Then take in dal 1 pinch. Do you know what is a pinch? When you pinch others, not to hurt others. So it's a pinch, isn't it? So how much dal would you get when you take a pinch of dal? Maybe 1 or 2, right?
Yes.
So in 2 spoons of water, if a pinch of dal is put, imagine how much recipe will you get? You will not get much, but even then, let us take red chili powder, half kilogram. Do you know half kilogram means how much? How much? Half kilogram. How many
500 grams.
How many
500
grams?
500.
500, ma'am.
You have
500, ma'am.
1
500,
kilogram is 1,000.
500,
Okay.
half kg,
Okay.
ma'am.
Half kilogram powder is, yes, half kilogram powder. If I take 1 orange and an apple also, if I wait with this, you get more powder than this. That much powder, red chili powder, you have to take and put this in top, in this pot. What do you think? What do you imagine? If you prepare a recipe with that much of chili powder, what will happen? Can you eat?
It's very spicy.
It will be too spicy and too
Yes,
spicy,
ma'am.
and you will start crying. You will get tears out of your eyes, isn't it? We cannot eat it at all. So there is something in this recipe. Now your job is to correct that. Okay. So now let us see the remaining also. Salt, 1 bowl of salt. So how bitter it will be. Right? Next, it will be too salty if you take so much of salt. Then rice, only 1 spoon. One spoon of rice. So you may get only this much of quantity. Then next, green peas, only 2.
Only 2 pieces.
Only 2 green peas. Huh? Next is mustard seeds. Hope you know mustard seeds. Avalu, telusu kada. So mustard seeds, if you are asked to take 8 glasses, the total recipe is full of mustard seeds.
Mustard seed meaning, ma'am.
Rice and no dal. Next is 1 kilogram of onions. Yes.
Mustard seed meaning, ma'am.
Mustard seeds means ఆవాలు తెలుసా? మీ రోజు రెసిపీలో బ్లాక్ కలర్ రౌండ్ చిన్న ఆవాలు తింటారు కదా? Mustard seeds. Okay. Now next is 1 kilogram of onions. Onions also you will be getting nearly 12 onions, and all that you have to cut and put it in this. So now, is this recipe given right or wrong? Is this recipe given right or wrong? Wrong. There's no doubt about it. Now, can you correct this? Can you correct this? Yes. One by one. Now, one by one, I will ask. Let me see when you correct this. Yeah.
I can tell them.
Who is that? Name? Okay, Kartika Durga. I'll start with you. So, Kartika Durga, where are you? So unmute yourself, Kartika. So I'll ask
Yeah.
one by one now. So first one, water, how much I should take? Is it 2 spoons, 1 pinch, half kilogram, 1 bowl, 1 spoon, or 2 piece like, or 8 glasses, 1 kilogram? How much water I should take, Kartika?
2 spoons, ma'am.
2 spoons of water. That's what I'm saying. The recipe is wrong. You have to find out from these which one is matched to which item. Water. What I should take? How many water? Generally, we take it in either in bowl or glasses, right? So it cannot be
Yeah.
taken by pinch or spoon. If for a recipe, you cannot use just 1 or 2 spoons of water and cook rice, isn't it? So now see and tell me which suits better. 8 glasses of water, 1 bowl of water, half kilogram. Do you say water in? Do you measure water in half kilogram? Kilograms?
No.
No, we measure
No,
water
no.
in liters, isn't it? So tell me now,
Yeah.
what I should, which one it should matches with water. This side you are written.
Yeah.
Huh?
Water answer is 8 glasses, ma'am.
8 glasses. Okay, fine. Water, let me take 8 glasses. Okay. Okay, Kartika. Good. Let me go to other student. Okay. So I can see here Karunya Kumar. Are you ready, Karunya?
Yes,
We can come to you next. Yes, Karunya Kumar, can you tell me dal, how much I should take? Dal. Is that 2 spoons, 1 pinch, 8 glasses of water I have taken already. So 1 pinch of dal is enough, or half kilogram of dal shall I take? 1 bowl, 1 spoon, 2 dals, or 1 kilogram. What should I do with? For a recipe? For dal, how much-
ma'am. 1 bowl.
1 bowl of dal is okay. I will take this. If it is wrong, later we will change. Okay. Okay, I have taken
Okay.
1 bowl of dal. Fine. Okay, let me go with some other student. Viksha asked for. So Viksha. Yeah, unmute yourself, Viksha.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now you tell me red chili powder, how much I should take? Red chili powder.
Ma'am, can you
Hmm.
move the camera some left?
Left you want? It's. Is this okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So red chili powder, how much I should take?
1 spoon, ma'am.
Very good. Red chili powder, 1 spoon, not more than that. Otherwise, it will be too spicy. Then next, the Viksha, tell me one more. Peas, how much I should take? Green peas.
1 bowl.
Okay, bowl. Generally, peas we take it in 1 bowl. But Karunya Kumar has taken already 1 bowl dal. So let us see what can be done with that. So we'll go to some other student. Thank you, Viksha. Then Uzair, are you ready? Uzair, your video is also not ready. Yeah, yes, gone. Okay, Lalit Aditya has raised his hand. Let me go to Lalit Aditya. Yes, are you ready, Lalit Aditya? Lalit?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now, salt, how much I should take?
What, ma'am?
Salt, how much I should take? Shall I take 2 spoons, half kilogram of salt, or 1 spoon, a pinch of salt? Salt always must be less, so we'll go with 1 pinch. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. 1 pinch. Salt, ma'am.
Okay. So next is rice. Peas, 1 bowl. So let me light like this. 1 bowl of peas. Okay. Rice. Lalita Aditya, tell me for rice also.
Rice, ma'am.
1 pinch used, 1 bowl used, 1 spoon used. Yes. Now left out is rice. Is that 2 spoons of rice shall we take? Or half
Yes,
kilogram of rice? Or 1 kilogram of rice?
We take 2 spoons of rice, ma'am.
2 spoons of rice. So it clearly shows that you don't think about kitchen things at all. 2 spoons of rice. Just imagine this much of rice you will get. To whom you will serve? Will you eat? Can you at least can you have? Will that be sufficient for you? No. Spoons of rice is not sufficient, Lalita Aditya. let me go to other student who can, let me see if anyone can guess. Yes, Shruti? Shruti? Can you tell me rice how much I should take? Left out.
1 kg, ma'am.
Okay, 1 kilogram of rice I'm taking as Shruti has given. Okay, Shruti, let me mute you and go to other student. Uzair has come. Uzair, will you answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so left out that piece. How many pieces shall I take? One bowl, all done, it is done. Mustard seeds.
2 spoons, ma'am.
Okay, fine. 2 spoons. 2 spoons of mustard seeds. Okay. Onions, can you tell me, Uzair?
Yes, ma'am.
So how many onions I should take? So 2 spoons
1
also
kilogram.
used.
1 kilogram.
1 kilogram of onions. Oh, so you like onions so much? 1 kilogram of onions, if you cut into pieces, you will get this much of a big bowl full of pieces you will get. Would you like to use so much of onion pieces into the recipe?
No, ma'am.
Right, onions must be less. So think, generally onions, we take it pieces, piece-wise. So 2 onions can be taken. Okay. 2 onions. So you should think when you match such things. Okay, who's there? Let me go to P. Ishan, I can see him here. Yes, Ishan?
Yes, ma'am.
So left out is, okay, here 2 things are, 2 things have the same. That is dal 1 bowl and peas 1 bowl. Which I should take 1 bowl, dal or peas?
Dal.
Dal, if I
Dal,
take
ma'am.
1 bowl, green peas will be half a kg. Shall we take half kg green peas or half kg dal?
Dal, ma'am.
Dal, very good. So generally, how you have to understand this is, in any recipe, when you are using rice and dal, it will be more in quantity. Rice will be more, a little less will be dal, the remaining will be very less. Isn't it? It's like a khichdi recipe, something of that kind. So rice, 1 kilogram, okay. Dal, half kilogram, that is half of the rice what you are taking. Then to that, 8 glasses of water and 1 spoon of red chili powder, 1 pinch of salt, 1 bowl of green peas, 2 spoons of mustard seeds, and 2 onions. 2 onions you can use. Then there can be a change in. Yeah, that's it. So with this, you can make a recipe. You can prepare some food item and you can have your khichdi. But don't try this at home. This is just to tell you the weighing things of the things, the items which we have taken. Hope this is clear. So this matching, I'll show it to you. You can, I'll share the screen. Please check it up here. Okay, so here rice 1 kilogram, dal half kilogram. Now once again, Chetan, because you have seen everything, so now you answer. Yes, Chetan, unmute. Yes, green peas, how much I should take? Tell me, green peas.
1 bowl.
1 bowl. Okay, let me see whether it's right or wrong. Yes, 1 bowl. Very good. Okay, let me thank you, Chetan. Let me go to other student. Yes, here Bhumika. Bhumika.
Yes, ma'am.
So can you tell me water, how much I should take?
8 glasses.
8 glasses of water. Very good. Once you answer, please mute yourself. Next, let me go to the other student. Harshavardhini. Harshavardhini, unmute. You did not unmute.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So can you tell me how many onions I should take?
2, ma'am.
Very good. Onions 2. So done. Next, Kengo is here right now. Kengo, can you tell me salt, how much I should take?
1 pinch, ma'am.
1 pinch, okay. Is that Kengo gave answer?
No, ma'am, Ishan.
Okay. Hemanandana, as soon as you answer, please mute yourself. Yes,
Okay, ma'am.
Hemanandana, can you tell me mustard seed, how much?
Mustard 2 spoon, ma'am.
Okay, 2 spoons, fine. Next is Dhanush Yadav. Dhanush Yadav. Dhanush Yadav. Red chili powder, how much I should take? If you were in class, you would have understood. Huh? 1 spoon of red chili powder. Okay. Next, let us go. Mute yourself. Next. Okay. So here there is an activity given for you. Guess their weights and match. Okay. So now here, Dhanush, let me start with you. Nisha, please mute yourself. Dhanush. So I have given you some items here. Dhanush Yadav, are you listening to me? Answer, Dhanush. Yes. Okay. So what do you see? First item. There is a suitcase. Can you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So there are some weights given. 10 kilograms, 400 kilograms, less than 1 kilogram, more than 1000 kilograms, 80 kilograms, 2 kilogram. So anything, whichever you can estimate, you can tell me. It's not suitcase or briefcase or cow or sacks or puppy or mango or elephant. Whichever you can match, you tell me. Dhanush,
Yes.
can you match for elephant? Can you guess how heavy will be elephant?
1000.
More than 1000 kilograms. Very good, Dhanush. It is more than 1000 kilograms. Okay. Let me ask Srujana. Dhanush, please mute yourself. Yes, Srujana. Can you, is Srujana ready? Can you tell me any one of the items weight here? Any one of the things weight here? Dhanush already told that elephant can be weighed more than 1000 kilograms. What about any other item here?
10 kilo about
Others, please mute. Srujana, tell me anything. Whichever you find, you can guess.
Dog.
Who is that? Others, please don't answer. Let Srujana tell me. Yes, Srujana.
2 kg.
Uh-huh.
Less than 1 kg, ma'am. Dog.
Who is that talking? I want Srujana to answer. Srujana? What happened, Srujana? No response from your side? It's you only. So there is a disturbance from your side. I think there is a internet instability. Let me go to Revati. Please, Srujana, mute yourself. I'll come back to you.
Dog, ma'am.
Yeah, Revati.
Puppy, ma'am.
Huh? Doggy. Puppy.
Puppy.
Huh? Puppy.
Oh.
Puppy. What can be the weight of puppy? Can it be 10 kilograms or 400 kilograms? 10. Do you know how much is 10 kilograms? Your rice bag might be at your home. Rice bag will be 5 kilograms or 10 kilograms or 15 kilograms. So that much weight puppy will not be. You can lift puppy very easily. Huh?
4.
What 4? There is no 4 here. Okay. Meanwhile, you check it up. Let me go to other student. Harsha Vardhini.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me what can be the weight of puppy?
Puppy. 2 kg, ma'am.
2 kilograms. Very good. Okay. Next, let me go to other. Revati, please mute yourself. Manichandra, can you tell me what can be the weight of a mango? Manichandra? No. So mango's weight, a single mango weight.
1 kg, ma'am.
It can be less than 1 kilograms. Okay, it's not 1. Okay, next, let me go to other student who is here. Vaishnavi, B Vaishnavi. B Vaishnavi.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me the weight of this wheat sack? There is a sack here, wheat sack. Pack of wheat.
10 kgs, ma'am.
It can be 10 kilograms. Okay, let me take it as 10. Then can you tell me the weight of this suitcase?
Suitcase. 10 kg, ma'am.
Huh?
10 kg, ma'am.
If suitcase is 10 kgs, then what about this sack? Both cannot be 10, no? Isn't it? Can you take both 10? Here I have options. Among that only you have to tell me. Hmm?
Less than 1 kg, ma'am.
What? Less than 1 kg? Briefcase? See, less than 1 kg is mango.
ma'am.
Less than 1 kg kilogram is mango. So suitcase or briefcase cannot be as mango. It will be more than this. Okay. So let me take it as 10 kilograms as you said. Okay, fine. Abbas?
Ma'am.
Yeah, can you tell me the weight of cow? Can you guess the weight of cow?
80 kg. 80 kg, ma'am.
80 kilograms. Then what will be 400 kilograms, my dear? More than cow, I can see only elephant. Elephant is already more than 1000. So cow must be
400, ma'am.
400 kilograms. Okay. So Ritika. So now listen to me carefully. Already your friends have told mango is less than 1 kilogram. Puppy is 2 kilograms. Cow is 400 kilograms. This suitcase is 10 kilograms. Elephant is more than 1000 kilograms. Now left out is for wheat of sacks. Can you tell, sack of wheat. Can you tell me what is the weight of this wheat?
80, ma'am.
Very good. It's 80 left out, isn't it? So fine. So let us check it up. 10 kilograms per suitcase, less than 1 kilogram for mango, 400 kilograms for cow, 80 kilograms for sack of wheat, 2 kilograms for puppy, and more than 1000 kilograms for elephant. Okay. Okay, now there is another part here. Children, hope all of you are ready. Guess which of the following things weigh more than 1 kilogram and which ones will weigh less than 1 kilogram. Okay, so shall I show you what is 1 kilogram exactly? Do you know how much 1 kilogram will be? Okay, let me show you. Just a second. I'll bring a pack of 1 kilogram.
Ma'am, camera is up, ma'am.
So see here, children, I have brought 2 packs for you. So this is a turmeric powder. This is half kg, and this is also half kg, half kilogram packet. So mostly this half and this half, when you combine, you will get 1 kilogram. 1 kilogram for a guess for you. I am showing it to you. This much. Okay. So approximately depending upon the item. Okay. Now, so you can imagine as per the weights what you use every day. So your school bag. Yes, Trushal Yadav. Trushal Yadav.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me your school bag will weigh more than 1 kilogram or less than 1 kilogram?
Less than. More than, ma'am.
Your school bag will be more than 1 kilogram. Okay, bag itself will be a weight, then books you will carry, then your box you will carry, then you will carry your water bottle and all. So it will be more than 1 kilogram. Okay, then geometry box. Let me go to other student.
Ma'am, how
Niket, be Niket. See, once you answer, please mute yourself. Yeah.
ma'am?
Who is that? Yes. Be Niket. Is Niket here? Unmute yourself, Niket. Niket, can you tell me geometry box? Your school geometry box will weigh more than 1 kilogram or less than 1 kilogram? Niket, can you see? Niket, no answer. Okay. So who would like to answer? I'll ask them only. Who is raising the hand? I've seen someone. 5 participants raised. Who are these 5 participants? Yeah, P. Ishan, K. Chetan, Bhumika. I have asked these people, but still I have. Yeah, Pradyumna raised his hand. So let me ask Pradyumna. Yes, Pradyumna, unmute yourself. Can you
Yes,
tell me geometry box weight will be less than 1 kilogram or more than 1 kilogram?
Less than 1 kilogram,
Very
ma'am.
good. Why less than 1 kilogram? Pradyumna, continue. A brick. Weight of brick.
More than 1 kilogram.
Very good. It will be more than 1 kilogram.
than 1
One more, you
kilogram.
tell me. Big pumpkin.
More than 1 kilogram, ma'am.
Yeah, very good. So Manichandra
More than
also
1
raised his hand. Let me ask him. Manichandra. Manichandra.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you guess the weight of a pair of slippers?
Less than 1 kilogram.
Less than 1 kilogram. Very good. Okay, let us check what you have said is right or wrong. So your school bag is more than 1 kilogram. Geometry box is less than 1 kilogram. Brick is more than 1 kilogram. Pumpkin is more than 1 kilogram. And pair of slippers is less than 1 kilogram. Okay. Okay, let us go to the next part. Before this, okay, before the next slide, I would like to show you something very interesting. How to know the weights of the things. Or suppose I take one orange and one apple. I have one apple and I have one orange. Can you tell me which one weighs more, apple or orange?
Apple.
Apple.
Apple, ma'am.
How do you know?
Apple, ma'am.
So it's a guess, right?
Apple is
Yeah,
very...
fine. So let us check it up. Let us check this whether.
Ma'am, how to check?
Yeah, how to check? I'm showing.
Ma'am.
I have prepared one balance. Okay.
Oh, I also have it.
Also have. So if this can be prepared yourself, you can prepare it on your own. So I have prepared one. Fine. So now, let me check which one is more, apple or orange. But it's not very clear, right?
Ma'am, I made this in second class.
You did it in second class? Okay.
Yes,
So you know very well how to prepare this. So you can make one more and send the video how to make this. Okay. Is this Viksha? Okay. So I'm going to check well apple or orange, which one is more in weight. Okay. So you can see that the two are with the same in the same these two are balanced. Fine. Okay, now I'm putting apple in one of the plate and orange in another plate. Now you can see. Yes. So which is more in weight, apple or orange? Apple goes down. It means it has, yes, apple goes down. It is more in weight than orange, right? Then let us check with other items. Few more items. See, I have now one ball and one water bottle, empty water bottle. Let us check these two. Okay, so I am placing water bottle and ball, weighing the two. Let us check which one weighs more. Can you guess which one weighs more? Ball or empty water bottle? Huh? It's an empty water. It's an empty water bottle. It's an empty water bottle. Ball weighs more. Clear? Is that okay? Yes, very good. Okay, next one. Now I have apple and ball. Apple and ball. Let us check which one weighs more. It's not in page. Please check it out. So see here, apple weighs more than the ball. Is that clear? The one- Hey, I have told you this is not in your textbook. Please check it out. Children? Yes. So the one which weighs more goes down. Yes.
120. 120. 120. 120.
Yes, page number 120, but items I have shown you different items. So here you can see that apple weighs more than the ball, right? That is why it goes down. Okay, next, let us see a few more. A ball and a belt. So guess which one would go down, ball or belt? So you can see here, the ball goes down, belt is light in weight than the ball. Ball weighs more. Yes, so you can see that plate goes down. Okay, so now next. As you have already learned all this, so you can prepare on your own. I'm showing you another one. See, I told you these two are half of kilograms. So both are weighing same. Yes, though the items are different and one packet is smaller than the other packet, but weight is same. Both are same. So this is half kilogram and this is half kilogram. Is that okay? Fine. So hope you enjoyed this, and you can also make the balance like this on your own. See, what I have done is I have taken one disposable cup like this, but both the cups must be of same type. You can take some plates or you can use something. See, I have not brought from anything from outside. Whatever I found it from home, I made it. So these two I have taken, and because it is the top is rectangular in shape, I have taken 4 holes. But if you take circular item, then you can put only 3 holes. That is enough. So same length rope for both. Okay, this we have made, both are of the same length. Then put a knot here. See that both have same length of the rope, and then take a stick. See, I found an hanger which was broken. So I made it in such a way that it acts like a balance. And if I hold it with the finger like this, it shows exactly equal. Okay, so you can also do this at home. You try to do it. You can take a stick and tie that to the 2 ropes to the stick and get a balance. and try to weigh small things at home. And first you guess the weight on your own and then check it with the weight balance. Okay. So that I will show you. I will send it to you as a homework. You can do it at home. And the last one, a little part is left. Let me show that also. Now you have to guess or you have to find out from your parents what are the different items they bring. You have to list out some things you get for your home. So rice, how many kilograms of rice do you get? So this is like per month you can write. Generally you get these things per month. You can ask your parents for 30 days or 31 days. They prepare a list in the beginning of the month and get the things from shop. So rice, how many kilograms? Atta, how many kilograms? This is in general what two people, if two people are staying, how they get is shown. Now it is up to you. You find it out from your parents looking at this list. Rice, atta, dal, oil, salt, potato, sugar, soap, detergent powder, shampoo, tea, spices. How much do they get? So you have to write it on from your parents, finding it from your parents. And this is the main homework for you for today. So you list out these things and write the weight, how much quantity do they bring, how much amount they bring for 1 month. Is that clear, children? This I am going to share it for you. I'll post it in WhatsApp group. So seeing that, list out the items and find out how much amount do they bring each thing for 1 month. For 1 month. Okay, children? So any doubt in this?
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Okay, for today I'm ending the session.
Bye.
Try to
Bye,
remember and do the homework. Okay, children? Okay, bye till the next class.